In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SVChost.exe high CPU usage in Windows 10. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here, type in Task Manager. So here, you're going to go to Details and go and find SVChost. So it should be all the way down here. Here you'll find plenty. What you're going to do is you're going to close the services of all of them. So you would right click, then go to Service, and then right click and then stop. Now you would go back again. The second one, right click, go to services, then right click, then stop. And then you're gonna do this for all of the lists here. You're gonna do all of them, and then you can then close this down. Now what you're gonna do is go here and type in registry editor. So open the registry editor here. And now you want to go all the way up and go to the HK local machine. Now you want to go to system. And now you want to go to current control set. So current control set should be this one. Then you want to go to control, this one. So what you're going to do here is inside of control, you want to find SVHost split threshold. So open it. And now we're going to change this value. So you can change it to, for example, let's say 10 million or 8 million. So, but if you want a more accurate number, you can just go to this PC, go here, right click, properties. And here you can basically find your installed RAM. So if you have like 8 or 32, you want to pay attention to this number. So 32. So now you want to go here. Now you're going to type in 32 times 1024 times 102. So you want to times it 10. So you want to write in 32 times 1024 times 1024. So write this down. So you want to find this number. Okay, this number is important. You're going to copy this. And you will go here and just place this number here. So whatever number you have, let's say you have like on your desktop you have 8 gig RAMs or 16 gig RAMs, then you would put basically 16 gig RAMs or 8 times 1024 and times 1024, and you want to take a number that comes here, and then you want to copy it and place it here, and then you want to click OK. After you press OK, you want to close this down, restart your computer, and now you want to go here and follow the next steps. So here you want to go up on CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, type in sfc /scan now and press enter and wait for it. So once it's done, you can close this down. So the next step is go here and type in event viewer. So open event viewer and go here into Windows logs. Open it, and here you want to go to application, and here we're gonna clear the logs. So when you go to forwarded events, for example, you're gonna go to clear log and clear the log, and you're gonna go here, system, clear log, and clear the log. You're gonna do all these until application, and you're gonna go clear and clear the log. And after that, you want to go here lastly and type in disk cleanup. Click OK, select all of these folders, and then you want to click OK. After that, restart your computer and your issue is fixed.